Hello and welcome to the course. I'm so glad you're with us. Hi, I'm Steve Ballinger, the creator and instructor for the course. And I've interviewed, hundreds and hundreds of people, must have been through thousands of resumes and CVs. And I want to share that knowledge with you so you can kind of get the inside look to help you become very successful and get a great job. That is the whole purpose of this course, is one purpose only, to help you get a great job that you're happy with and that you can be successful in, and to make that transition in your life to that next stage of having a great career and a great job, or moving on from one that you're maybe less satisfied with. So in the course, there's one real important thing I'd like you to know, and that is it's a very long and comprehensive course. So it's got everything you need in it, but I want you to know that you can jump to any section. You don't have to go through hours and hours of stuff to get to the resume section or to get to the part where we talk about how to negotiate a job offer. If you've got a job offer right now and you need to start doing some negotiating, jump right to that lesson. Or maybe your LinkedIn profile is not that great and you really want to just start with that. Maybe watch a couple introductory lessons if you want, or just jump right to that section. It's perfectly okay. So the course is designed that you can take it straight through because it builds on each other, but it's also designed that each individual section stands alone so you can jump to it. But always just start at the beginning and go all the way to the end. You'll be, set yourself up for so much success. It'll be amazing. And I'm really, really glad you're with us again here. I can't wait for you to get started. A couple little tips on how to even use Udemy a little bit better. You might already tell, sometimes I get excited. I love talking about things. I love helping people. So if you find I'm talking a little too fast for you, particularly if you speak multiple languages and things and you want to slow me down, you actually can do that. And Udemy always changes their controls all the time too. So it'll be somewhere. If it's not like exactly where this diagram shows it, you'll find it. But you'll look for something that has like a 1x by it or something. And then you can either speed up my talking or slow me down by using the grid up there, up and down. As far as going faster, I don't know if anybody wants me to talk faster, by the way, but maybe slower, that happens sometimes. So find that. As far as if I'm talking too fast, feel free to slow me down. In addition, Udemy will automatically stream the content to and automatically change the resolution of the content so it fits best for you. So if you're on a Wi-Fi, in a coffee shop that might be 100 people are banging on it and it's not coming through well, they'll actually make the resolution poorer so that you can see a little bit poor. It's not poor, but poor, so it'll come through a little bit better. Everything I film is in 1080p, high definition, but how Udemy might be showing it or streaming it can vary there. Also, if you're finding that the video is choppy or it's not coming through well for you, you can change it yourself too. There'll be a gear, usually it's on the right-hand side. You just click it and you can see 1080p, 720p, there's different choices. The smaller the number, the poorer the resolution, but also the better the better transmission as far as the streaming goes. So if I'm talking too fast, slow me down. If the resolution's, if it's not coming through well, hey, that's okay. You can adjust that as well too, but Udemy should do that automatically. Last tip here before we get into the actual real course now is it's a great idea to take notes. Studies show that even the process of writing something down or recording it on your computer helps you to remember even if you never look at that note again. So take notes as far as remembering things, but also take notes because you might be going through a lesson. I know you don't have to be extensive notes, but maybe we're going through a lesson and there's something that was really intriguing to you or you want to find out more, or I mentioned a tool or a website that you want to try out, because I'm going to share lots of different tools and websites you can use that are outside the course as well. You might want to jot that down or have a note like, check out that JobScan website for the computer scanning, that something simple like that. All right, so great. So let's get started, and most of the course is 99.9% very, very practical, but the upcoming lessons might be a little bit more, especially the one about this positive aspect of the job search, can be a little bit more inspirational. So that's a good one to watch to make you feel a little better, because searching for a job, let's face it, it's not the funnest thing in the world, but when you're good at it, you can feel really kind of excited and charged up about it and feel real good at it. And that's what the course is going to help you do. But otherwise, everything's practical, but it's worth it to look at those positive aspects of a job. Might be helpful for you.